Guys, the bunker is starting to fill up with water. But check it out, guys. Here we are. We're on March 18th. I think a month later. We're just doing this piece by piece over time. Okay, we're in. It's April 21st, 2025. We're currently still working on this project. We're gonna go ahead, get stuck back in. It's a pretty sunny day today. So we got speed down in there. It's probably about 5.5 foot maybe. It's a new morning. It's about 9:30 right now. We're getting to work. Got this big drink here, gonna need it. I have to say, whenever you're down there and you're digging, all like the particles in the air get all up in your system, and the drink comes in very good. Rocks and rocks and rocks. We need to get the pickaxe and whack all that. Like, check that out. These are the type of guys I'm pulling up out of here. All little ones, big ones. If I don't start this project, I'm never going to know how it's going to turn out. I'm never going to know if it's entertaining. So I just got to keep going, keep doing what we're doing. Let's keep it up.
Baba.
Stickies. Hello, Baba. Right, guys, we got a little bit of a storm coming in here. Well, a little bit. It looks like a giant storm, actually. We got a wild storm coming down into the hole. Woo! I just want to say real quick, I probably mentioned this. I could do this project using, like, you know, machinery, but I decided to do it by hand because then I could look back and say I did that all myself with just like small tools. I'm sure I've said this, but I am doing it with a machine like a big JCB digger or something. Easy, one day job, no problem. Look at that, guys. Look at the layers. That is pretty cool. And there is the giant stone. I don't know how I'm going to get that out. Maybe I'll just keep it in here as like a little seat. That could be cool. And yeah, let's continue on. But yeah, that is crazy. These are like really cold. Whoa. This is a bad one, guys. I can hear the thunder. Ah. Check it out, guys. We finally have enough room to put my body in here, lying down. This is pretty crazy right now, looking up. I hope I'm in frame. But yeah, the raindrops are just falling down over the camera and hitting me on the chest and on the face. This is awesome. Real quick, it is 4 o'clock in the morning. Just a quick clip. I haven't recorded a nighttime clip, but yes, 4 o'clock in the morning. You recording? Good girl. Whoa, Maya's got the camera. Hello. I can see you.
Daddy.
Thank you, baby.
Baby.
Boo-boo. getting a bit more space in here, just making more depth. There we go. Because of that storm last night, guys, the ground has softened up, so today I can actually get in with the speed. At the moment, I don't even need the bucket, guys. I can just scoop it out like this and throw it on up into this big sort of pile right here. But yeah, thank God we don't need that bucket, because using the bucket actually was putting me off this project, because it's just up and down, up and down. Starting to pick up now, guys. It really is. Sometimes when I'm shouting at the camera, it's because my iPhone does a strange noise in the background, so sometimes I have to shout at the camera. I was just making a little bit of I was just recording a little bit of B-roll of me sitting there with the rain falling. I just try and fall in here without not hurting myself. Whoa. Okay, so here we are, up to my head. A little braked. Damn, ow, hit my back off a stone. So, a little break time. So, let's have a little break. Got myself a wee cookie, this little yogurt. Right guys, so we're finally down depth wise. Right now we're going to start building the roof, cut this in a bit more. Woo! Mudded up. So guys, the bunker is starting to fill up with water. Let me show you. Trying to get down into the bunker is actually difficult because check it out, everything's all slippy and whoa. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and get myself a bucket or something to get all this water up and out. That's what we're dealing with today. Let's take all the logs and throw them right here. Yes. Okay, good job. After plenty of digging, plenty of mornings, plenty of nights, plenty of recording video footage from different angles to show you guys what it takes to build a bunker over time, let's go ahead and get down in here while there's still a little bit of sunlight. Right. This is amazing, guys. Finally dug a bunker. Been talking about this for the past year or so that I was going to do it, but I knew it would take a lot of work. Giant rocks we pulled out of the bunker, we're going to go ahead right now and start sticking them around the sides in here. Then we're going to go and get the black tarp right about here and put it on top, start getting the speed and fill it all with soil. So, okay, I just want to say, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking by. I appreciate it so much. I put a lot of time and effort into this project over the past couple of months. What I'm trying to say is, thanks so much, guys, for watching this little video. It's been a while since I uploaded a video to YouTube. I'm going to continue on making projects like this. This was a lot of fun. And at the end of this video, we're going to go ahead off camera and put something down into the bunker. And I will show you guys in a little second. Peace. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.